How to relink your Epic's Game account to another Xbox account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about relinking your Epic's Game account to another Xbox account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch a web browser in your computer or your mobile device and simply visit store.epicsgames.com and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Simply go ahead and click on the user icon in the top right corner of the screen. And as soon as you click on it, from the drop-down menu, click on Account, that is just below the Coupons option. Then you will be taken to the Account Settings, where you have to simply scroll down and click on Apps and Accounts, that is just below the User History. Now, here on this page, locate the Xbox option and click on Connect option. Again, click on Connect Account option and simply enter your email address, your phone number, or your Skype account to log into your account. Or you also have the other sign-in options such as the face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. And you can also sign up with your GitHub, or you can simply go ahead and click on Forgot My Username and log into your account. Also remember to log out of your current Xbox account you're signed into, as Epic's Game currently does not support switching accounts. Follow the provided instructions to successfully relink your Epic's Game account to another Xbox account. So that wraps up the video. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next one.